Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Butter Croissant. So I've actually never had a croissant from Starbucks before, but this is what it looks like. Pretty nice, big, light, fluffy feeling croissant. And there's not much to say about a croissant, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Ooh. I had my face. That's a really good croissant. It's very bready. It's got, all croissants kind of taste the same, but this one's more light, fluffy, and tastes more buttery than other croissants. Really good. You can see the texture. There we go. You can see the texture of it. Nice, light, fluffy, airy, crispy crunch. It's good. Yeah, it's a pretty good croissant. So usually croissants from the grocery store, they're good for like one day, and then they start to get dry and crusty and not so good. But with Starbucks, you're getting it fresh, it's warmed up a little bit, and it tastes really good. Like, that's a very nice, basic croissant. Tastes great. And no real complaints there. It's very, very basic though. So the croissant, or everything croissant, butter croissant from Starbucks on a scale of 1 to 10, I give that an 8 out of 10 too. That's like a pretty good croissant. Good flavor, nice crispiness, nice fluffy, everything you want in a croissant, really. Maybe an 8.5. Yeah, I think that's more accurate because it's a good croissant. Like, compared to other croissants, this one's amazing. So definitely go try it out. It is tasting real good, with little issues, you don't have to worry about it drying out because you're probably going to eat it right away. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.